Hey guys, so we just had kind of a special build here that I thought I would share. These are street spec arms in ultra black chrome, and since he was upgrading, this customer was upgrading this color, we figured, hey, we've never done it before, let's go ahead and do the number 1 and number 2 arms and the Hysteer knuckles in that same color. It's a pretty cool color, similar to our standard gray, but it has, you know, a clear coat on it, so it's a little bit deeper, shinier underneath it. These Hysteer knuckles also have our shoulder bolt outer tie rod connection, so it's a little bit more robust than just the taper through the knuckle here. And then you can also do, you know, the steering spacer to eliminate bump steer, just depending on what ride height you're at. Again, stainless steel spacers. This whole coupler is stainless steel instead of aluminum that we see in a lot of other manufacturers that are making this type of thing, but hey, we just don't want these threads to egg out on either end and give you a nice solid connection in the jam nut. And then street spec mega arms for IS300. You can see it has our lifetime bushing in this forged eye that we're offering now. It's kind of something new for this year. And then the other portion of that is the traction link that we make in-house. So all TIG welded, Super Pro factory bushings on the same bushing cup diameter. And then our clevis that's box fully, and then again TIG welded to DOM tubing. We've got the center turnbuckle style adjustment, so we can keep those bushings on either end. And yeah, just thought I would share this beautiful setup. And if you have any questions on any of these products, again, this is our number 1 and number 2 arm with lifetime Super Pro poly bushings. Number 2 bushing has that special pivot design, so it has the 2 top and bottom snubbers, and then it has a radius so it can actually pivot, unlike just a straight polyurethane bushing, which is going to be required to deform over time. Anyway, these are ultra black chrome. I guess kind of a hybrid steering refresh street mega kit.